Cambridge Assessment English is all about helping people learn English and prove their skills to the world.
We help people learn language beyond the exams and use that to help them progress in their lives, in education, in the workplace.
It means working with teachers around the world to give them the best support we can to help them bring out the best in their students.
Our qualifications help learners stay motivated because we have a level-based system. It's like a ladder progression, targeting levels to the CEFR, the Common European Framework of Reference, are basically that they provide clear descriptions of where learners are at certain levels. So we don't just think about what's relevant and what's interesting, but we also think about what can the learner cope with at that age. We spend a lot of time thinking what to put in our exams. We choose topics that we believe are relevant and interesting for learners. Our qualifications focus on the 4 skills of language, which are speaking, listening, reading, and writing. When you're studying those 4 skills and developing them in the classroom, you can then use them outside as well.
I think for teachers it's very important to use Cambridge English exams to teach English, mainly because of the structure. Students are generally very motivated to learn mainly because of the result. They can definitely see their progress, understand their progress in all 4 of the skills.
English is very much part of the future, it's part of the now. Speaking English opens doors for study and for work. So they really are life-changing language skills.
It will help them to gain a job. I mean, if they go to an interview for a job and they say, I have the advanced, nobody's going to ask them if they know English. That's very important.
I know from personal experience that learning a language is a long journey, and it's really important to have clear milestones along the way to keep you motivated. People around the world trust Cambridge English qualifications, so teachers know that they're underpinned by rigorous academic research into what makes effective learning, effective teaching, and effective assessment. We provide a range of teaching supports, exam preparation, and free resources. It's really important that we give them the best support we can. It's easy to start working with us. You can either visit our website to find details of your nearest authorised exam centre, or you can contact one of our local teams to find out more about how to offer Cambridge English qualifications at your school.
I would say that offering our exams in a school is about joining an international community, and it's about giving people the chance to learn a language that is essential to success in the world we live in.